Leo huddles in the shadows, his form swallowed by the gloom. Afternoon light struggles to reach him, casting only a faint echo of his presence. The playground stretches out, oblivious to his inner turmoil. Whispering to himself, he admits, "I didn't mean to lie. It just slipped out." In the quiet of the school garden shed, Miss Clara approaches Leo, her basket brimming with untold stories and gentle wisdom. She sets the basket down, the unspoken words hanging heavy in the air. Miss Clara gently breaks the silence. "Hiding never helps for long, you know." She observes him with knowing eyes. "Something heavy's sitting on your heart." Tears welling, Leo confesses. "I told Mr. Sam that Max broke the classroom laptop. But it was me." In the quiet school hallway, a moment of startling clarity as Leo's voice returns, filling the air with its normal sound. Confusion and disbelief paint his face as he exclaims, "Did you see that? My voice came back. My shadow grew." Miss Clara steps forward, her expression gentle as she imparts a profound truth. Telling the truth does that. It helps you grow again on the inside and out. Leo's eyes widen with newfound determination as he declares, "I have to go to Mr. Sam. Right now. I need to fix this." He turns abruptly, ready to confront the situation head-on, his resolve now unshakable.
Struggling to write engaging key stories that are fun, educational, and full of life? What if I told you AI can help you write a full kids story in minutes? Complete its characters, lessons, and viral story structure? Hi creators, I'm Coach Mira AI, and in today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to use AI tools to create captivating key story that are not only entertaining but also packed with moral lessons and educational value. Whether you're making animations, ebooks, or storytime videos, this is for you. Also, thank you for helping us hit 500 subscribers. This milestone means the world to me, and it's only the beginning. Let's keep building and learning together. Let's dive in. First step, go to ChatGPT. Let's tell ChatGPT that we need a key story. I'll tell ChatGPT acts like a prompt engineer and give me a 5-verse viral kids story that is educative, informative, entertaining, and it should also have a moral lesson. Alright, so this is what I'll tell ChatGPT. So let's see. I will send generate. Alright, I think we'll choose Neo's Big Lie and Shrinking Truth. So it's a genre comedy with consequences. Alright, so Leo tells a small lie at school, but every time he lies, his voice gets squeakier and his shadow gets smaller. Soon, whispering a mouse squeaks, the only cure. Telling the truth and owning up the chorus. So I think I love this one. So I'll select okay, this one. I'll tell ChatGPT to generate scene 4 story. It should be a short story. So I don't want the story to be much. Sure. And the story is 2 short. So I think we are okay with this one. All right, so this is it. So I'll copy this and press it in my Word doc. All right. Now, let me go to my Word doc. Okay. Now I'll paste it here as a new document. As step 2, you go to Chrome browser and press in this link to Chrome browser. Alright, we've come here. This is how the interface looks like. So the first thing to do is to use to select create. Alright. So before using this, each day they do give free coins. Alright. So I've already generated something with it. As you can see, my coin has reduced. Now they have the paid version and the free version. So we'll be using the free version. Remember, in as much as you haven't paid for this tool, you can still use it for free. Okay, but this to sign up. If you haven't used it for the first time, you use your email to sign up. Okay, so now after signing up, the next thing to do is to select this plus sign. When you select the plus sign, you will see this interface. So this is written smart scripts. This is where we paste our prompts. Okay, then this option is where you choose the aspect ratio. It's either use 16:9 or 9:16. So we'll use 16:9 and we'll select this auto. We cannot access this ones 3 to 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes because it is a paid one. It is the pro. We are using the free version. Okay, so the next thing to do, all right, so before this, we have to select the style of the video we want to create. So let's select this all and choose the one we want. So you can make your choices. We have 3D cartoon, we have pizza, we have Disney, we have epic, realistic, animals, meal, key story, Topia, you have suspense, Ghibli, Claire, you have GTA, anime, comic, Pente, LOL, Josie romance, and cyberpunk. So you have to choose the option that you want. Right now, I think I've worked it Disney. So let's choose pizza and select confirm. Okay, so after selecting it, you select next. Alright, story is being analyzed. This is scene 1, shot 1, shot 2, shot 3, shot 4. Then scene 2, shot 1, shot 2, shot 3, shot 4, shot 5. So this is how they splitted the streets. All right, so that is it. Our video is actually 1 minute 10 seconds. This is the longest site you can use to generate your video for free. This is the longest. Others can only generate free ones probably for seconds, but this one you can use it for like 1 minute and 10 seconds. So the next thing to do is to select next. All right, so now this interface is the place that will input our characters images. So they have an existing character images. If you click here, according to your gender and every other thing, so if you click here, you will see the age. Okay, we have to go back to Chrome, ChatGPT, and check out the age of our of this William and other characters. I think it will help us to know the character to choose in here. Okay, so I told ChatGPT to help me with my character ages. So this is the breakdown of my character's age. Neo is 8 years, Max is 8 years, Miss Clara is 30 years, Sam is 35 years. With this, it will help us know the key of the characters we are working with. Alright? Have the key of the characters we are working with. So Leo is 8 years old. Leo is 8 years old. So we'll choose. So you will select the characters. So this is it. This is for Willie. Okay, so Leo is actually a boy of 8 years old. So we'll look for an image of a boy that is 8 years old here. All right, so let's choose the one we want. So let's look for a character that we will work with. Okay. Let's choose this as new, or let's check if we see a better one. All right, let's choose this one as new. After selecting this for Leo, we select OK. All right, so this second one is for Miss Clara. So Miss Clara age is actually 30 years. All right, so we should look for the character that will suit Miss Clara. She's 30 years old. So let's scroll down. Remember, you can use any character of your choice. You can also input your own character. Like probably you can download it from any of the editing tool and upload it here. Okay, you can upload yours here. So this is so here we'll have to add Max. Okay, then here, okay, we will choose Max age. So this one is written unknown. So after that, you select next. After choosing your character, you select next. So storyboard is generating. Then once it's displayed, you can check it out and see if it's what you actually want. Oh, our story is ready. So you go through it and check if you want to adjust any of them. So this is our story. So this is Miss Clara. Okay. So can you see it's giving a consistent character? It is giving a consistent character. So let's go back. Now, the next thing to do, if you are using a pro version, you can animate them. Okay. But unfortunately, we are not using a pro version. We are using a free version. So the next thing to do is to select speaker. So let's choose the speaker of our choice.
He turns abruptly, ready to confront the situation head-on, his resolve now unshakable.
He turns abruptly, ready to confront the situation head-on.
Let's choose Williams. So now after choosing it, the next thing to do is to select if you want any sound, all right, any sound effects, any sound effects, you can select it here. So let's listen to the sound effects. Okay. Now this is it. The next thing to have a lip sync, you just select here. That is if you're using the pro version, it can actually lip sync, but unfortunately, you are using the free version. So you select cancel, select next. So it's written animates all. You cannot animate all. Why? Because we are using the free version. So you select next. All right. So here is the this is the option where we'll select our cover title. That is, it is optional. If you want a cover title, no. So I don't need a cover title. I don't need it. So after this, you can add your music, background music here. So let's listen to it. So finally, this is the sound we selected. All right. So after this, you select generate. Remember, you cannot use turn it to this high. It's only standard that you use. Why? Because you're using the free one. So we select OK. So our video is generating. It won't take much of your time. It will be ready. They are really good. This is really beautiful. I enjoy using it. Imagine a site that allows you to create videos for free. All right, it is totally free. Then if you want to upgrade, you can still upgrade to the paid plan. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Now our video is ready. So this is where you download it. Let's download it first before playing it. Now our video is ready. Can we play it? So let's play it and see.
Leo huddles in the shadows, his form swallowed by the gloom. Afternoon light struggles to reach him, casting only a faint echo of his presence. The playground stretches out, oblivious to it.
Thanks for tuning in, and once again, thank you for helping us reach 500 subs. Keep exploring, keep creating, and remember, with AI and imagination, there is no limit to what you can build. I'm Coach Mira AI. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like, share with another creator, and comment what story or two you would love to learn next. Bye.